Today, Mrgrrr is not delivering cashews or other foodstuffs to the needy. Today, I'm delivering some board games to my brother's house because you know what? They're his. So I think the only thing that needs to be done is to make sure they are delivered safely. So, gotta buckle up the board games. The struggle is real. My wife told me that the traffic is just crazy because of the 4th of July today. So Mrgrrr is hoping he gets to his brother's house in one piece. And it is tempting. It is tempting to take F that road because it would be a safer bet. But as the name implies, F that road. I gotta admit, it's nice being on the open road, taking a mental health day. Hopefully my beautiful wife, Andrea, she's gonna be surprised because I used her first name. Usually I just call my beautiful wife the wife on my video channel. But hopefully she's getting a little bit of relaxation and a mental health day too, because the last couple of weeks in the Picker Palace have been challenging to say the least. Now I have some board games here to my right and some of them are more challenging than others, but oh my goodness, the last couple of weeks, the game of life has been hardcore mode, to say the least, in the Picker Palace. So I'm just looking forward to sitting down at a table with my brother and friends, rolling some dice, moving some pieces on boards, making a good time, making a good memory, and just relax for a minute or two. So a lot of the board games that we play are really challenging. And I got a feeling that today is not a good day for one of those, oh my gosh, let's try this new super challenging 600-page rules new board game to play. That's probably not what we need right now. And as I was working on Godmaker this morning, I realized that KISS, Keep It Simple Stupid, might need to be applied more often than not to some of these awesome concepts and complicated concepts that I have for the world of Godmaker. Because if you make a game that's so complicated and so intimidating and so overwhelming that only one person out of 100 has the mental ability to play the game, yeah, that's a stupid thing to do. Keep it simple, stupid. Finding that right spot where the game speaks to people that want to challenge, and it speaks to the people that just want to play to have fun with their friends. That's, being able to hit that bullseye perfectly where the game has things that people that are looking for a challenge can feast upon, and then the people that are just looking to have a good time and make a memory with their friends and loved ones. Can I do both? Can I have my cake and eat it too? I sure hope so. And I think putting effort into doing that, making sure that the game appeals to more than one type of person, is probably energy well spent, because my brother the president of Ape Games, and myself, we're all very different when it comes to board gaming. And I think if all three of us love the game, that's perfect. That's perfect. And we also have to call up my buddy Hans, who has made a living out of breaking gaming systems his entire life. And if we can have my brother, myself, the president of Ape Games, and Hans all agree that this is a game that I like, well, that's a recipe for success.